AI, artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that enable computers and robots to perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. The task can be as simple as programming a computer to play an easy game like tic-tac-toe, or as challenging as having a computer diagnose and treat a sick patient. Sometimes AI is used to get machine to do things that humans already do well, like using spoken language to communicate. At other time, AI is used to do tasks that are hard for humans. For example, AI has drastically improved traveling. AI and robotics. AI and robotics are two terms that are commonly used nowadays. Let us understand these terms better. Robotics is the field of technology that deals with actual robots. Robots are controllable machines that can be programmed to perform a variety of tasks. One area of computer science is AI. Artificial intelligence refers to creating computer programs to carry out activities that would otherwise require human intelligence. When AI is utilized to operate robots, the AI programs are merely a small part of the overall robotic system. Mitra. Mitra is an Indian humanoid robot that stands 5 feet tall and has the ability to speak and understand numerous languages. When welcoming customers, Mitra, a fiberglass robot, can distinguish faces, communicate, and offer useful advice in addition to performing self-driving navigation. Sophia. Hanson Robotics, a Hong Kong-based business house, created Sophia, a social humanoid robot. She is the first robot citizen in the world. Sophia is also the first robot innovation ambassador of the United Nations Development Programme. Sophia looks the act like a real person, can communicate with others, and is capable for producing drawing including portraits. Modi 3. Modi 3 is a polygon-shaped shifting robot that is designed to work alongside people. The individual models of the Modi 3 robot are triangular in shape. The 2D triangle can be morphed into 3D polygons and configuration of different sizes through polygon machining. To adapt to new environments, Modi 3 is like a helpful friend in the shape of a robot. Pizza Delivery Robot. With its robot pizza delivery technology, Domino's Pizza has improved the delivery experience. A self-driving vehicle called the Domino's Robotic Unit, or DRU, can deliver up to 10 pizzas using sensors, cameras, and GPS to find your door. The DRU, which was introduced in Houston, Texas, USA, still in the testing stage, but the pizza delivery industry is taking notice of it. RoboCab. A robot called the RoboCab with the rank of Sub-Inspector SI is sustained at the Thiruvananthapuram headquarters of the Kerala Police. The front office at the headquarters is under the robot control. The visitor can communicate directly with the KP robot and ask it questions to learn more about its capabilities. Acute. At the Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, India, undergraduate student created Acute. Acute is widely regarded as India's first indigenous robot and has represented India at many international snooker matches, including RoboCup and Robo Games. Areas where robots are used: industrial robot, domestic or household robots, medical robots, service robots, military robots, entertainment robots, space robots, hobby and competitive robots. Thank you. Have a nice day.